Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about controls on forms. What is control? Controls are the part of a form or report that you can use to enter, edit or display data. Control let you view and work with data in your database applications. Next, types of control. There are different kinds and types of control you can create, but all of which will fall into one of the two categories, that is bound or unbound. Bound control, a control whose source of data as a field in a table or query is called bound control. And next type is unbound control, a control that doesn't have a source of data such as a field or expression is called an unbound control. You can use unbound control to display information, pictures, lines or rectangles. Next control is text box. Typically anything that is in a text box will be bound, but not always. You can use this control to interact with the data stored in your database, but you can also have unbound text boxes. Calculated controls will perform some kind of calculations based on an expression that you write, and that data is not stored anywhere in your database. It is calculated on the fly and live just on that one form. And next control is label. Label will always be text and unbound control. Normally labels are not connected to any source in your database. Labels are used to label other controls on your form, such as text boxes. Button control. This is another type of popular control. This command button usually perform a macro or module. Buttons are usually used to interact with the data or object within your database. Next, checkbox control. Checkbox control allows the user to make multiple selections from a number of options. Checkbox to give the user an option such as true or false or yes or no. You can click a checkbox to select it and click it again to deselect it. You can use checkbox control in groups to display multiple choices from which the user can select one or more. Option button. A radio button or option button enable the user to select a single option from a group of choices when paired with other radio button controls. When a user click on a radio button, it becomes checked, and all other radio buttons will with the same group become unchecked. Let's see the difference between checkbox and option button. Checkbox allows one or more option to be selected. Option button allow only one option to be selected out of several available options. Checkbox is presented as a small square box on the screen. A radio button or option button is presented as a small circle on the screen. Checkbox is used when you want to allow user to select multiple choices. Option button is used when you want to limit the user choice to just one option from the range provided. Checkbox is a single control unit and option button is a multi-control unit. Next, combo box. Combo box control is used to display data in a drop-down combo box. By default, the combo box control appears in two parts. The top part is a text box that allows the user to type a list item. The second part is a box that displays a list of items from which the user can select one. Next control is list box control. It displays a list of one or more item of text from which a user can choose. Use a list box for displaying a large number of choices that vary in number or content. There are three types of list boxes, that is single selection list box, multiple selection list box and extended selection list box. In single selection list box enables only one choice. In this case, a list box resembles a group of option buttons, except that a list box can handle a large number of items more efficiently. In second type is multiple selection list box enable either one choice or continuous choices. Last type is extended selection list box. Enable one choice, contiguous choice and non-contiguous choices. Let's see the difference between combo box and list box. Combo box occupies less space in form, list box occupies more space in form. Combo box shows one value for visibility, list box shows more value for visibility. Multiple selection is not possible in combo box, multiple selection is possible in list box. We can't use checkbox with combo box, we can use checkbox with list box. Next one is grid control. Grid control displays data in a series of rows and columns. The simplest case is when the grid is bound to a data source with a single table that contains no relationships. In that case, the data appears in simple rows and columns as in the spreadsheet. Next is graph control. A chart is a graphic that displays numeric data in a compact visual layout and that reveals essential data relationships. You can add a chart to a form or report to visualize your data and make informed decisions. You can bind the chart to a table or query and customize the chart with a variety of properties. You can even make the chart interactive. For example, if you select a different category field on a form or report filter, you see different chart values. In Access, you can generate column, line, bar, pie, and combo charts. Two basic types of charts are used on database form and reports. That is, graph that shows detail from the currently displayed rows, and second one is graph that display summary data across all the rows. Next one is tab control. Tab controls gives you a tabbed view of controls or other controls in your form. Adding tabs to a form can make it more organized and easy to use, especially if the form contains many controls. By placing related controls on separate pages of their tab control, you can reduce clutter and easy your work with data. I hope you understand the different types of controls in database forms. I will see in the next video. Thank you.